Here I've got Google Pixel 6, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So it's quite easy operation. All you need to do is tap on power button and volume up button. Just hold them all together. Keep holding. We'll hold them. And as only you see Google logo, you can leave those buttons, and within a couple of seconds you'll be able to use your device again. It will be reset, and if it had been frozen or you experienced some issues, it should all work properly right now. Just give it a couple of seconds to reboot again. And now enter your SIM. And that's it. As you can see now, you can use your device easily. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.